Okay, now, because the wind's coming from that way, we need right hand down, right? Aileron into wind, okay? But to keep the wings level, we left foot forward on the rudder. So it's opposite rudder. So
right.
Down and left foot forward.
Right.
Okay? And you're going to have to control it. Now, instead of the centre line being there, it'll most likely be there because you're pointing into wind.
Right.
Okay? Can you see how the wings are already up like that?
Yeah, they
That's
are.
because of the wind.
Yeah, it's not
Okay?
level.
Okay, so you're ready to rock. Let
So
me just
this
make
one,
sure
and the other
15.
side.
And I better make sure they don't cut out of this. So you're on. Okay. Giving you control. You have control. Now see how it's tilting?
Yeah.
Now left foot forward. And that'll keep the nose a little bit straighter and flatter. Okay, that's it. Now the principle's the same. The light's straight in front for you. So you rip low and just bring power up. Now see the red and white lights at the runway there? Okay, see how they went all red then?
Yeah.
It means you're too low. Doesn't mean you're gonna climb. All we'll do is we'll add power and we minimise our rate of descent. There you go. See how now we've got a white there and a red?
Yeah.
Lower the nose. Now you're coming back on. So we control our rate of descent with our power. So the crosswind's 35 knots now. So pre-landing checks, captain start switches on continuous. All our brakes on 2, undercarriage is down, 3 green lights will be confirmed. Now 15 degrees of flat, I'm going to give you 30 degrees of flat. Now you're a little bit right at the centre line, so just release back on there and let the wind push us over. There we go, that's it. Now actually turn towards it, and then as you come, see how it's gone white now, all white? That means that we're too high, but I'll take the power off. That's it. Back on.
1,000.
A little bit more to the right for me, camera.
Sync rate.
A little bit harder.
Sync rate.
See how we're drifting
Sync
off,
rate.
off centre? Don't worry about the sync rate. Okay? Now, it's coming back now, so just gentle, that's it. Hold it there, hold it there. Now it's going to go a little bit to the right now, isn't it? So back it off. Wings level. Wing should push us back.
500.
Too low.
Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't sink.
Okay, start with right hand down.
Don't
now.
sink.
Okay, right hand on here for me. Wings level, wings level. Right hand still here. Raise the nose a bit for me. Power off.
100.
Okay. So wind.
50. 30. 20. 10.
Release. Release. Wings level, wings level. That's it. Reverse thrusters on now. Because you're going to be very careful dipping that wing because the engine pod's only really maybe 4.5 feet above the deck.
Wow. It's very low.
Yes, it is very low. You see how demanding it is.
It is, yeah.
Okay, there's 60 knots, disengage. And we'll use our rudder pedals to finish it all off. Nice and together. Try and do it together, that's it. Well,